Ito na. Top 4 answers are on the board. Sa jeep, kapag sinabi ng pasahero na bayad po, ano ang madalas na sagot ng driver? Go!
Saan pumunta?
Jason. Saan to? Saan po? Saan to?
Saan pumunta?
Saan ba ang saan to?
Okay.
Tama ba? May number 1 pa. Jay. Sa jeep, pag sinabi ng pasahero bayad po, anong madalas sabihin ng driver?
Ilang pasahero po?
Ilan po? Ilan po rito? Ilan? Nandyan ba? Ang ilan po rito?
Hey, that's the same. I said that.
Jay, pass or play? Play! Let's go play the final round.
What else ba?
RC.
Yes,
Kailan
sir.
ka uling sumakay?
Ng jeep. Kahapon.
Kahapon. So, alam mo to. Pag sinabing bayad po, anong madalas na sagot ni driver?
Estudyante.
Oh, kasi may discount.
May discount.
May discount kapag estudyante. Andiyan ba ang estudyante? Wala.
Pwede.
Pag sinabi ng pasero, bayad po, ano sasabihin ng driver? Matanda ba?
Yes, correct. Just like me. We have PWDs. Correct.
Oh, para senior discount kasi. Senior discount. Services? Wala.
Wala.
Stephanie.
Ano? May barya ba? May iba change kasi baka malaki yung pera, may barya ba?
May barya.
Oo, kasi baka basta
Nagbigay na,
1,000.
nagbigay na 1,000.
Yes, that's what my mom told me. If in case the denomination's too big, you can exchange it with coins. Very good.
Says,
Wala. Ang hirap naman.
guys,
But I hope they get this right. So that Kuya Rocco Nasino will play at the fast money round, which I'm so excited about.
ang team. Pero dahil tama ang sagot nila at sapat ang puntos, nananalo pa ang tanong. Kaya ng Team Huya. Jason, kapag sinabi ng pasahero, bayad po, anong madalas sinasabi ng driver? Saan sumakay? Saan sumakay?
That's the same as saan bababa.
May aso.
May aso.
Ay, naku.
Hindi, kasi parang space din.
Oo, di ba?
May aso ba?
Oh, malaki yung
Baka-
aso.
Baka may narinig na kumahol.
O, di ba?
Enzo. Pag sumakay ka ng jeep, sabi mo, bayad po. Tapos ano sasabihin ng driver? Ng driver, sige mo. Saan ka galing? Saan ka galing?
Okay?
Dalawa na.
Where are you from?
Tapos aso. Sa totoo lang po,
Oh my gosh. Kuya Rocco's already contemplating, thinking about what's the right answer. Good luck, Kuya Rocco. You're my idol, man.
tama. Pero, ngayon ko lang sa nakita ang ganito ka-stress.
Let's go.
Tamang sagot lang. Sa jeep, pag sinabi ng pasahero, bayad po, ano kaya ang madalas sagot ng driver, Rocco? Sinabi, bayad o. Saan ka sumakay? Oo. Saan ka galing? Saan ka galing?
Yes, that's what Kuya, what's your name? Yeah, Enzo, the third guy. The second guy, he said that. He just said that. Where are you from?
Okay
So that you will know, so that, yeah. You know the rest.
Tignan po natin. Sabi po nila, saan galing? O saan sumakay?
Saan ka galing ang sagot? Let's find out. Saan ka galing? Number 4! Panalo si Kuya Rocco Nasino. At dahil dyan, ikaw talaga yung mahusay dito sa Family Feud. Sa issue ng Navy at sa Family Feud. Hanep! Pare, 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 pare.
Sa board. Labasan natin. Tingnan
Now, what's the
natin
last answer po kaya?
Manipis
Ha?
na lang. Ibig sabihin, malayo, aabutin mo yung bayad. Anyway, maraming salamat, Team Blackhawk.
Ah,
Very well.
maybe house the payment, something like that.
Galing.
But that's good.
Thank you.
Just what I've said.
Palakpakan natin muli.
Hanep!
And of
Pare,
course,
pare, 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 pare.
congratulations.
Hanep!
Bring up
Hanep.
100,000 na.
Hanep!
Rocco,
Hanep!
sino ang dalawa maglalaro sa ating fast round?
Kaming dalawa ni Attorney Bonnie.
Alright, it's gonna be Jason and Rocco. The fast